Hi, I'm Andrew and I'm here to show you a really natural, no makeup look using the all-new With Ted makeup collection. So I'm going to start by using St. Bart's eyeshadow quad in nude, using a light wash of the brown shade all over the lid and building a little bit more intensity in the socket line. Then using a smaller eyeshadow brush and the champagne shade, I'm going to add a subtle highlight just on the inner eye corner, which helps to illuminate the eyes. So I'm now going to use the highlighter shade from the multifaceted palette, just touched on the brow bone and almost like a C shape onto the top of the cheekbone. Then I'm going to use the sculpting bronzer shade to add a little definition to the cheekbone. I'm going to add a blush using blushing and a big fluffy brush just on the apples of the cheeks. Next, I'm going to add a lipstick to the lips. This one is a satin lipstick called Poised, and it's a really natural, almost like the colour of lips. It just gives a beautiful, subtle definition and magnifies the lip tone. And finally, to finish the look, I'm going to add one coat of mascara. And there's our everyday, natural, no makeup look using With Ted Cosmetics.